Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And first thing I want to do here is just get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere, especially now that we have data from today's price movement. There's just two very well-defined areas going forward, and both these levels are nothing new. I mean, I've already talked about them, but we just got that much more confirmation. And the big point of confirmation we got today was in regard to the support portion of the chart, which is that green line right there at 770. Again, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched my past videos. But even if you haven't, been talking about this level quite a bit, and you can see that this morning, quite literally 3 candles in a row bounced right off that level. So again, confirmation that 770 is an area of support, and that there are going to be a lot of traders watching that level moving forward. And I mentioned a lot of traders because call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. Whenever you have lots of traders watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, you know, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movement. So, I mean, if the price were to come down to 770 and break down through it, is it guaranteed to happen? No, but is it a logical thought that a break could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure? Yeah, that's absolutely a rational thought to be having. So keep an eye on 770 from the support side of things. And then the other part that we just have had confirmation of most recently on Wednesday right there is this area up around the $9 mark as resistance. So that's, again, same logic, one of those levels where if the price can work its way up there and get a break up through it, while not a guarantee, a valid thought to have that could create some upside buying pressure. But as of right now, what's looking like is taking shape is just a sideways channel pattern where the price is now kind of just bouncing back and forth. So it may now be one of these situations where you got to just sit back and wait for either a breakout of the pattern or a breakdown of the pattern. So we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.